Hey guys, welcome back to About Technology. In this video, I'm going to share best export details in DaVinci Resolve 18. So stay with us till end and let's get started. Let's go through master settings first. For that, you have to click on project settings here. So this is project setting window and here we have master settings. Now what is master setting? Master settings are global settings that will be configured for all the projects. So first of all, you have to set the time resolution. Here, if you check the timeline resolution, it is 1920 by 1080 HD by default. That means it will render full HD videos. Now, if you want to render 4K videos, then you have to change the time resolution to 3840 by 2160 Ultra HD. It will render Ultra HD videos, that is 4K videos. Now next is frame rate. By default, it is 25 frames per second. YouTube supports frame rate from 24 frames per second to 60 frames per second. It totally depends on the video you have recorded. You must set this frame rate according to the frame rate of video that you have recorded. If you have recorded on 25 frames per second, then let here be 25 frames per second. Now, as I record on 29.97 frame rate per second, so I will set here as 29.97 frame rate per second. Now click on save to save these settings. It will immediately prompt that whether you want to change project frame rate, and you can't undo this action. As I want this master settings to be applicable all on my projects, so I'll click here as change. So this was our master settings. Now let us go to the render tab. Here you have to click on Deilver tab, and if you can notice, you already have some presets over here like YouTube, and if you go further you have preset for Twitter. If you are new and don't have much knowledge about the settings, then you can choose one of the preset available over here. For suppose you are rendering the video to post on YouTube, you can directly select the YouTube preset from here. It will immediately provide you with the default settings of this preset. In case you want to set your own preset so that you could render every time with the settings you want, for that you have to click on custom export. So this is custom export, click on custom export. But before starting with the setting, let me tell you that I'll show you the export settings that could help you render best quality videos for YouTube, or render an optimum video if you have limited hard drive space, or in case you want to render small files without compromising the quality of the video. So let's first start with the format. I usually prefer MP4 format as it is an international standard for a video. Sometimes by default you might get QuickTime format over here. Now QuickTime format will render MOV files that work well with the Apple devices. So in case you are an Apple user, you can stick with the QuickTime, but I'll prefer MP4 format. So let's just put MP4 here. Next is codec. Codec defines the way your video is compressed or decompressed in order to transmit your video faster. So we will use H.264 codec over here, because it is the most commonly used codec that we use for recording and distributing full HD videos and audios. So we're gonna stick with this codec only. Next is resolution. Here by default we have 1920 by 1080 resolution, which is the standard resolution. Now selecting the 920 by 1080 HD format, the standard frame rate will be 24 frames per second. In case you work in a 4K timeline, then you must select 3840 by 2160 Ultra HD format. Next comes the quality. I have previously posted a relevant video on this, where I have shown you the difference between best quality videos to least quality videos. Rest, you don't need to make any adjustment in any other field as default works well here. So the next step is going to save this preset. For that you have to click on these three dots over here, and here you have to click on save as new preset. You have to name your preset here. I'll name it as About Technology. And click on OK. So here is my preset About Technology, which contain all the settings according to my requirements. So that's it guys. If you want to know how to rotate and flip a video in DaVinci Resolve, please click on the video at the top right corner of your screen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more DaVinci Resolve videos, please subscribe this channel. It will notify you when any new video comes out. Feel free to comment what other new videos would you like to see in future. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next. Bye bye.